Welcome back. Money has no memory. It doesn't care what you paid for an investment, only what it's worth today.
Market in a Minute with David Caseley. Catch the bull by the horns. Fast market insights.
Here's your market minute for the week ending Friday, July 10th, 2026. This week, the rally got a little uneven. After a strong finish to June, markets started to separate into winners and losers. The question wasn't whether investors wanted risk, it was where they wanted to take it. Canada, the TSX was flat for the week, holding near all-time highs around 35,300. Financials continued to provide support, while the index benefited from its defensive mix compared to overseas markets. Takeaway, Canada didn't shoot the lights out, it simply held up better than most. United States, the S&P 500 also flat for the week, hovering around record highs. A softer unemployment backdrop helped reinforce that the Fed could eventually begin easing, while investors looked ahead to the start of earnings season. However, gains became more selective and leadership narrowed in parts of the market. Headline driver, markets are shifting from rate speculation to an earnings reality check. Europe was the weak spot. The Euro Stock 50 fell roughly 2% for the week, dropping from above 6,400 at the start of July to around 6,270. Investors took profits after a strong run, while cyclical sectors and industrials lost momentum. Takeaway, Europe isn't collapsing. It's cooling off after being one of the strongest performers of much of the year. Oil bounced around between the high 60s, low 70s, currently at 71.18, as traders focus more on demand concerns and ample supply than geopolitical risk. Gold stabilized after recent weakness, finding a floor as bond yields eased and investors look for portfolio protection heading into earnings season. Looking ahead, the next chapter starts now. Earnings season kicks off next week and markets have already priced in lots of good news. Positioning, stay selective. This is becoming a stock picker's market where results matter more than headlines. That's your market in a minute. Stay bullish, stay curious, and watch for stampedes.